Yo, what's up guys? It's Dave behind the camera here. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how I do fake or faux barbed wire so that you can put stuff on masks like I'm going to between the ears on this guy without having a lawsuit. So anyways, you want to find a couple good colors that you like. I in the past have made rust with based everything out in silver, black, orange, a little bit of gold flake, just because certain parts of rust are really dull and sometimes it can get kind of shiny whenever it's rusty metal, obviously. So anyways, for this you just need some kind of adhesive. Mod Podge is good, Elmer's glue. I think I've used something else in the past. But basically I take two strands about the same length and I coax the Mod Podge or adhesive down the strands, slightly twisting it, and you can either do little overhand knots every 8 to 12 inches where the barb is going to be, or just do that at the end. But anyways, you can do that and then give it maybe 20-30 minutes and it's dry. It's a little bit stiff, feels kind of plasticky. So yeah, that's not even bending. That's kind of the texture you want for a barbed wire. You don't want it to be so limp, but it depends on what you're doing with it too. So then you can take your fingers again or a brush and start doing it. I think the easiest thing I found was taking a metallic silver spray paint and just, hey, what's up, bud? Going over, here, you want to hold this up for me? Wait. And going over the whole thing with the silver, both sides. Does that kind of look like barbed wire? And then hitting it with touches of black and brown. So I got this nutmeg, which on the shirt looks like a good rust color.
Hey,
anything
that's my shirt.
Yeah, you want to wear it? It's bad, bud. So anyways, once I got a couple colors on there, I got a little bit of red, silver, touches of gold. And there's no right way to do it, but basically, what, son? Basically running it across the shirt on one side and then brush stroking it in. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, rust doesn't grow the same way on every item or whatever. But yeah, I mean, from a distance that's gonna read. Now that's not where I touched up yet, but you know, not bad. And then where you did your little overhands or decide you want your barbs, just take a little strand, maybe 4 to 5 inches of the same material, and you can either overhand knot it or using the Mod Podge, meet it into the cord and twist it around, and that gets your barbs. And the silver does a lot. I didn't base coat this one in silver this time, but really I think that gives a lot to the effect of it being real metal wire versus not using it, which I didn't on this one. I'm gonna coat it a little bit more with the brown, but yeah, there you go.